look at this, it's actually pretty awesome. I'm gonna film a little bit on my phone because it's literally too difficult to walk with my real camera. Get the view, there's the island, gas here, Natasha. Dario's gonna make a drone shot from the gang. Dario's over there looking for the shot he's gonna try to take. Alright, Natasha is in. The sun is gonna go down pretty soon, but this is maybe even a nicer spot to watch the sunrise. So Natasha, what do you think?
It's beautiful, especially with drone. Drone shot will be amazing. Very good.
We just took a quite risky drone shot between Natasha's legs. And Natasha, how are they still here? Let's check, guys. The shot was a success, the legs are still here, both of them. Natasha is now flying the drone back, her first time flying it. This is why I love shooting with the Sony a7S III. I don't care about the megapixels, I care about the dynamic range, and that's always pretty awesome with this camera, to be honest. So far we've been shooting with the Sony 16mm. Honestly, it's super wide, which is cool. It shows the landscape, obviously, that's what we want to see. Sometimes it makes everything look really distant and kind of a bit boring. So we'll slap on the 35mm and maybe drag the background a bit more towards us, right Dario?
Exactly. I mean, there's worse locations to be testing different lenses. Guys, I would like to take this time to say like the video, subscribe to the channel from the Mr. Jonah if you haven't already. Enjoy watching the video.
So we're gonna take a shot that it's kind of half silhouette. So that's why Natasha needs to make a lot of curves in her body. Otherwise it looks always a bit boring, these silhouette shots. You're gonna have the leg posed like this, so you have way more curves in her body. And then on the opposite side we have this one as a curve. This honestly looks pretty good on my phone here. So let's see how it looks on the camera. Natasha especially brought this little blouse here to have it wave in the wind. Well, we had wind for 1 second, now it's gone again. Sorry Natasha, you're not gonna be wavy in the wind, but you can try, you can wave it yourself.
Okay, it's just illusion.
The entire time we were taking back lit shot, and now that we really have the nice golden hour, we're gonna take some front lit shots as well, because you can see the island like this in the background, and it looks really sweet, Natasha. For this type of shot, I like to have the model on 1/3. You can see the grid here on my camera, and have the island on the other third. So you can see here, model on the left, and then the island on the right one. She's looking over her shoulder, which looks really good. Let's also do a landscape mode. I wanted Natasha to have this feeling of being a little bit alone, very soft and sweet, just enjoying the sunset on her own. Although there's actually me here, other video guys, and Dario there laying down while he's filming the drone. But still, you know, Natasha is alone, very lonely, very sweet. I'm gonna slap on my 35mm one more time to get some more shots like that, because I really love that lens for environmental portrait. 35mm is just super cool to get the background a little bit closer but still have that wide angle feeling. I sometimes also like to take a photo where the focus is on the background of the environment and just the person enjoying the view.